Alright, y'all, I mentioned in a previous video that I would be checking out audio batching for Anki. Something that I heard about, something I figured out how to do. While it took a little bit to kind of figure out how to, to get it to work, messing with the presets is the most difficult part, I think, for me. Getting them right for your flow, for your pipeline. I have found that the audio matching with Anki has been phenomenal. So I'm talking about using hypertext to speech, HTTS. It's just an add-on that you install into Anki, and then that allows you to take cards that you've already got in Anki, and then just like you go to browse, and then you select which cards you want to apply audio to, and you basically just hit a button, choose the preset, or set up how you want the process. And while it takes a little bit of getting used to, because, for example, if you want to add IPA into it, then you're going to need to add like some brackets around it and tell it to ignore the brackets. That's kind of one of the more difficult things about it is just making sure that it doesn't go in, like if you have IPA, that it doesn't go and read the IPA or read other things that you don't want it to read. But once you get it set, then you can really easily go and just add audio to your cards, and you get to choose which one you want. I wish that there were more options, and I know that there are paid options, but I think for a free add-on, it's been fantastic. I understand that if you want to go and pay for other options, it's not that expensive. I haven't gone down that route yet, because for my purposes, just using the free options thus far has been fine. So for now, I would say, hey, definitely look into adding HTTS or TTS to your cards, because there are multiple options. There's awesome TTS and others, and so, but it's just super simple as a way to add audio to your cards. Which is great, especially as you're working your way through like A1, A2, B1 content, that sort of thing, to be able to shadow the pronunciation, get used to new sound symbol relationships, and etc. And then also like liaison, it seems to be okay for liaison. I'm still looking into that, but like for French, and so it's it's kind of a work in progress, but thus far it's been fantastic. So I would highly recommend it for anybody out there that is using Anki for language learning. If you've got some suggestions for how I could, maybe for other add-ons for Anki that could help improve my workflow, I would love to hear about it, especially as it pertains to language learning. I have not looked into other add-ons. This is my first add-on for Anki, but like I said, it's been fantastic. So let me know if you got any suggestions. Until next time, y'all take care now, and remember to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. Take care now. Bye-bye.